Most investors spend months, sometimes years, trying to find the best stock. But what if you didn't have to? In May, that is last month, I invested 10,000 Kenya shillings in an ETF in the Nairobi Securities Exchange. Specifically, I invested in Absa Gold ETF, which gives me exposure to gold without having to buy or store physical gold. And the best part is this. I did everything from my phone, and in this video I'll show you the process I took step by step so that you can see how this goes. Welcome to Study of Wealth. My name is Susan Juguna, and if you have an interest in investing, make sure that you hit that subscribe button and become part of this community, because here I'll teach you how to invest right. Now, before we get started, let us quickly talk about what an ETF is for those who are new to ETFs. Think of an ETF as a ready-made portfolio. So instead of you trying to pick individual stocks yourself, you buy one fund that gives you exposure to multiple stocks through a single purchase, and that you do directly from the exchange, as in you buy from the exchange. It's like buying a smoothie instead of individual fruits, okay? And then you get the whole benefits of these fruits without necessarily going to choose which fruit you need or it's good for your health. That is why ETFs are popular with both beginners and also with the experienced investors. They offer instant diversification and save you the time, of researching and managing different stocks. Currently, there are only two ETFs listed on the Nairobi Securities Exchange. That is the MSCI World ETF, and then we also have the one that I invested, which is Absa Gold ETF. So for my monthly investment challenge, I chose to invest the 10,000 Kenya shillings into now the Absa Gold. I'll also be investing another 10,000 Kenya shillings on the offshore ETF, and I'll cover that in a separate video, and you can watch out for that, or make sure that you subscribe so that you don't miss on that as well. But for now, let's go through the exact process of buying an ETF on the Nairobi Securities Exchange, and I'll be using AIB DigiTrader. So for this part, you'll need a CDS account. That is the part where we're investing, okay? And I'm going to direct you on how to get a CDS account towards the end of the video. Now, after you get your trading account or your investment account, you need to fund your account. That is the first thing you do. So you'll go to funds at the bottom right here, or you can just click on your profile and then click on fund transfer. Then you're going to click on deposit. You can do a bank transfer or M-Pesa. If it's M-Pesa, key in your phone number and the amount you intend to transfer. For M-Pesa, the process is instant. For a bank transfer, you'll need to do a follow-up email so that they can be able to credit your account. After you get the money in your account, you're going to click on watch list. And then you're going to look for the stock or ETF you want to invest in. We are looking for Absa Gold ETF. Its ticker symbol is GLD, so that is what you're going to be looking for. After you find it, you're going to click on it. And what I want us to note here in this pop-up is the highest ask price, okay? And then we are going to click on buy, okay? Make sure that you write that price somewhere. Here on this pop-up, we need to add the quantity of the stock that or the ETF that you want to invest, and we get this by dividing the money that you're investing with the price of the ETF. Okay, so when we do that, we get the volume, and we are going to insert the volume here. Next, under price, we are going to use the price we noted down as the top ask price. All right, we can do market, but I prefer we do the ask price because now it helps you utilize everything or all the money that you have in your account. Then you're going to click on buy. Next, you will confirm the amount that you're investing, including the fees. Make sure that you have this total amount in your account, okay? Then you're going to click on confirm buy, and this process is instant, and now you will find your ETF holding under portfolio. So the process is that easy. Now, if you're interested in investing in stocks through the NSE, The first step is getting a CDS account. I'm going to leave a link in the pinned comment to AIB DigiTrader, which is the platform I personally use. They help you set up the CDS account for free, and the process usually takes around 3 days. And once you have your account ready, you can now start slowly, even with the ETFs, as you continue learning and researching individual stocks. And if you want a beginner-friendly guide that explains how the NSE works, from opening the account to buying and selling shares, I also created a guide that can help you avoid some of the common mistakes many beginners usually make. I will also leave the link in the pinned comment. Now, here is a video that YouTube thought would be best for you to watch next. It's one of my videos that I've done before, so make sure that you watch it out, and happy investing. See you in our next video. Bye.